National Laundry Day is observed on April 15 each year to celebrate the essential task of doing laundry and to raise awareness about the history and importance of proper garment care. While laundry may seem like a routine chore, it plays a crucial role in hygiene, comfort, and personal well-being. Laundry has evolved significantly over time. In the past, people washed clothes by hand using rivers, washboards, and natural soaps. The invention of washing machines revolutionized this process, making it more efficient and convenient. Today, advancements in detergents, fabric softeners, and eco-friendly laundry practices continue to improve how we care for our clothes while reducing environmental impact. On National Laundry Day, people take the opportunity to refresh their laundry routines, organize their closets, and learn about sustainable washing methods. Many also use this day to donate gently used clothing to those in need, promoting the idea of cleanliness and generosity. Beyond the task itself, National Laundry Day serves as a reminder of how small, everyday activities contribute to a healthier and more organized lifestyle. Whether washing clothes at home or appreciating the work of laundromats and dry cleaners, this day highlights the importance of clean and well-maintained clothing.